This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for November 21st, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 0.77 points or 0.19% to 414.56. Total trade volume was down with 36,294 shares changing hands at a total value of 131.6 million real or over $32,000. On the main board, 3 stocks were up. Leading the market was Royal Group Phnom Penh SCZ up 0.48% or 10 real to 2,100 real per share, followed by Cam GSM, which rose 0.40% or 10 real to 2,510 real per share. Akleda Bank was also up 20 real to 7,040 real per share. On the downside, Grand Twins International was the biggest loser of the day, down 1.70% or 120 real to 6,920 real per share. Sanakville Autonomous Port was down 0.32% or 40 real to 12,320 real per share. The remaining 4 stocks on the main board remained flat. Over on the growth board, DVD Engineering rose 0.47% or 10 real to 2,140 real per share, while JS Land dropped 0.74% or 20 real to 2,680 real per share. Royal Group Phnom Penh SCZ recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 10,761 shares changing hands at a total value of 22.5 million real or $5,600, approximately 30% of the total trade volume on Friday. MJQ Education recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 8,229 shares changing hands at a total value of 16 million real or over $4,000, about 23% of the total trade volume on November 21st. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD weakened slightly to 4,010 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 100.09. Looking at global commodities, oil prices fell more than 1% on Friday, extending declines for a third session as the United States pushed for a Russia-Ukraine peace deal that could swell global supply while uncertainty over interest rates curbed investors' risk appetite. Brent crude futures dropped by 83 cents or 1.3% to $62.55 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude was down 1.6% or 92 cents at $58.08. Gold slipped and was heading for a weekly drop as a stronger than expected U.S. jobs report reinforced expectations that the U.S. Federal Reserve would refrain from cutting interest rates at its December meeting. Spot gold fell 0.9% to $4,039.86 per ounce. Bullion has dipped 1% this week. U.S. gold futures for December delivery dipped 0.6% to $4,035.60 per ounce. U.S. stock futures took a breather on Friday, gearing up to end the latest turbulent week in what is shaping up to be a rocky month on Wall Street. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, contracts on the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 nudged up 0.1%, while those on the S&P 500 hovered around the flat line. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures ticked up 0.2%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for November 21st. Have a great weekend.